harmful? Generally, we used to say that it is the sun which gives us vitamin D to keep us healthy. But we can't ignore the fact that on extra exposure to sunlight, our health can be destroyed too. Actually, sunlight contains invisible UVs, ultraviolet rays, which can cause tanning, burning, and even skin cancer too on reaching us. In sunlight, 3 types of UV rays are present, called UVA, UVB, and UVC. When we expose to UVA rays, much skin aging and wrinkling can be caused. Skin cancer, called melanoma, can also be the consequence. UVB rays can cause sunburns, cataract, etc. Those rays can affect the immune system of body too. And last but not least, UVC rays are the most dangerous form of sunlight. We are really lucky that ozone layer is there, which blocks it to reach the earth, and we are safe. Why don't water and oil mix? We all know well that water and oil can never be mixed. Water is actually made of various tiny hydrogen and oxygen molecules, charged positively and negatively respectively. And as both charges are there, so it's obvious that they will attract each other and stick together. Such molecules with positive charge at one end and negative charge at another end are called polar molecules. And in such molecules, only hydrophilic substances can get mixed. On the other hand, oil is made of hydrocarbon chains. Molecules in oil are also charged, but spread out more evenly. So oil is a water-fearing substance and non-polar in nature. On mixing water to oil, water molecules do not find negative charged molecules in oil to connect to its positively charged molecules, so they don't get mixed with it. Do birds have tongues? If you have not noticed a bird's tongue before, here is the needed insight. Birds do have tongues, but they are not so functional as humans. The tongue of a bird has bones, unlike a human's, which is a muscle, and therefore less mobile than ours. Different types of birds have different shapes of tongues. For example, the woodpecker has a pointed tongue, so that it may easily take in small insects. Birds that feed on nectar are often seen having tube-shaped tongues, so that they may easily suck in without much effort. The special design of the tongue is to suit the food habits or the feed of the bird. Pink, brown, and black tongue can be found if you just carefully watch a bird open its mouth. Do fish drink water? It really seems strange that fish drink water, but it's true. However, all fish don't drink, and which drink not because of being thirsty, but to maintain their body concentration. Actually, the principle of osmosis is the basis of such activity. Freshwater fish have high salt concentration in their bodies, as per the osmosis movement of the liquid, taking place from lower to higher concentration. Fish have to excrete water up to 10 times of their body weight, whereas in case of saltwater fish, their surrounding water is of very high salt concentration, so they actually drink a huge quantity of water, otherwise they can be hydrated. Freshwater fish only imbibe water so that they may respire by drawing oxygen from it and release such through their gills. They also urinate in a large quantity so that their body tissues may be prevented from being watery.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.